In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a column in Asana. This is a simple trick, but it can make your project views much cleaner and easier to work with, especially if you have a lot of custom fields or information that you don't always need to see. First, start by opening the project where you want to hide a column. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team, and then select the project from your sidebar or from your project list. Once the project opens, check that you're in a view where columns or fields are visible, such as the list view. You should see your tasks laid out with different fields across the top, like assignee, due date, priority, or any custom fields that your team is using. Next, identify the field or column that you want to hide. Look along the top row of your task list where the column headers are displayed. Each of these headers represents a field in your project. Move your cursor over the header of the column you're planning to hide. When you hover over it, you'll notice a small arrow icon appear beside the field name. This icon is usually on the right side of the column header. Go ahead and click on that small arrow next to the field. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that specific column. Depending on your Asana setup, you might see options like editing the field, sorting by that field, or adjusting how it's displayed. What we're interested in for this tutorial is the option to hide the column. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Hide Column. When you see it, click on Hide Column. As soon as you do that, Asana will remove that column from your current view. The tasks themselves are still there, and the data in that field is not deleted. It's simply no longer visible in this particular layout. This is really helpful for decluttering your screen and focusing only on the details that matter for your workflow. If you ever want to bring the column back later, you can do so by going into your field or column settings in the project and making that field visible again. So that's all there is to it. Open your project, click the small arrow beside the field you don't need to see, and choose Hide Column